All right, welcome back. Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and we are working on our arms for the next 5 minutes. You are part of the Fit in 5 daily 5-minute workout series inspired by my mom. She took my course about 3 weeks ago now, my Fit in 5 course. Details are below, and she has started working out more consistently, and all of these workouts are in support of our joints. So it'll be a monkey see, monkey do type of workout, and I will talk through the motions and things to concentrate on while we're going through them. So for these arm circles, you are just keeping the motion tiny, and you are pinching your shoulder blades together in the back. I am big about working on our posture because as we get older, we start shrinking and shriveling. Shrinking and shriveling. So pinching those shoulder blades together in the back is bringing everything back. So you're fighting the urge. All right, let's go the other way. I rotated, so now we're going the other way. This, for the next 5 minutes for this arm workout, we aren't gonna use any equipment. Good, let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, your shoulders should be burning. So now we're working a little bit more on our mobility. So you're just gonna do these, pinching those shoulder blades together in the back. Tag is showing. Good, my shoulders are burning, so I'm sure yours are. If they're not, you can keep on going here, or we're going to switch things up. And you're just going to do a little bit of a fly/row. So this is for my upper back, and I'm just squishing everything together in the back. And I'm gonna kind of bring my arms in now that I'm concentrating on that because my shoulders are really burning. And you can hopefully see the muscles in my back engage, keeping my core nice and tight. If you start feeling pressure in your lower back, tuck those hips and again, flex those ab muscles. If that's too much leaning over, stand up straight and do it. All right, we're gonna add a hold in there. Let's hold for a couple seconds here. I'll tell you when to relax. I got a spray tan and we're still holding. We're still pressing everything together in the back. And actually, let's bring our arms up here so you can feel it more. Everything kind of engaged back there, and so I say the spray tan thing because you can see that there's something gets messed up. So if you notice that, that is what is going on. All right, keep on holding, keep on holding. Let's do 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right, relax. Last thing we're gonna do is work on our triceps. You can do triceps even without weights. So you're holding for a second, tiny break, and holding again. You know what we're actually gonna finish with? Thought we were gonna finish here, but we're going to do 1 round of push-ups on the wall. Let's do 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, last bit. Find yourself some wall space and you've got push-ups. I'm not going to put you behind me, so I'm gonna do it like, pretend like this is a doorway. Just coming down and pushing up. You got 10 of them. Good. When you're doing them like this, I'm feeling it way more in my triceps, this muscle back here, than you would if you were doing it on a wall. You would probably feel that more in your upper back. So, depends on what you want to work on. Keeping your core nice and tight. Hips tucked, don't let your back arch. Let's do 2 more. And just go down as far as you can. You can keep your feet basically right under you, and you're just coming up. I'm doing these on my toes, so I'm working my balance a bit. The further you work your feet back, the more you'll feel it. Good. Done. That is it for this Fit in 5 5-minute series of our arms. See you in the next video.